Okay, demo recording. Here we go. Say you're living in a big house and you find your fuse is blown. You don't know what to do because you're living all alone. Your windows are whistling when it's cold outside and ain't nobody listening since your husband died. It's no way to be living and I don't think it's fair. Call 1-800-LONELY-WIDOW, service and repair. I can clean out your gutters. I can even mow your grass. I'm there when you need me and I'll rush over fast. I've got all the latest tools and I always keep them clean. And I know just how to use them, if you know what I mean. I love all my clients, and if you need me, I'll be there. I'm 1-800-LONELY-WIDOW, service and repair. And if I look all sweaty and maybe hot while I'm there, why not mix up some lemonade and show me that you care? You might think I'm too good looking to know a thing or two, but if you give me half a chance, I know just what to do. So maybe your plumbing needs attention, or you need some help upstairs. I'm at 1-800-LONELY-WIDOW, service and repair.